Wow. Are you still scared of the coyote?
No, not right now. It's
Alright.
far away.
She's scared of the coyote, guys.
No, I'm not.
She heard me from all the way here. Why are you calling it? There's no way you're calling the coyote. What?
Be nice, guys. It's almost Valentine's. Who cheated?
Okay. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Dannah. And oh, my thing is falling off. Today is Battle of the Lens. I got my 35mm versus my 20mm Tamron. So this is the Rokinon and this is the Tamron. And let's see which of these ones perform the best for portraits. Wow, you're looking back.
Sorry.
She's scared of the coyote.
Scared, actually.
You're scared?
One.
No, you'll be fine.
You
Okay.
should be scared of me.
Fight!
What are you feeling? Food?
Yeah.
Sushi?
Getting cold.
So the cafe we went to didn't have what we wanted.
Yeah.
So we just had hot chocolate. So we're gonna have some sushi at our favorite place. And what?
Bulgogi.
What?
Bulgogi. Where can I plug this in?
You can plug it in there. Are you trying to eat my wire?
No. I have intrusive thoughts, you know?
Oh. Alright, we're gonna try some. How do you say it?
No, it's bulgogi. Yeah, how do you say it?
The comment section will tell you. You guys gotta comment something about
Major weather warning. The storm system's expected to bring heavy snowfall, making for a messy drive on the roads.
In response, the city is outlining its plan to deal with the snow, including some restrictions. City's Alison Hurst is live with the details.
What are you doing? One hand. Wait.
Do a donut already. My boy is slacking.
Bro, I almost spilled my fucking liquid. Oh, chill. No.
I'm gonna show you how to swing the wagon.
Oh my god, he's gonna hit the curb. I'm gonna slip, guys. Hey, I can't be slipping right now. I can't be slipping.
We good.
We good. That was good.
That was sick.
You gotta send me that.
Oh yeah.
That was one of my best ones.
That was cool.
You like? What'd you think?
I was so scared.
You were scared?
Yeah, I would do it again though.
Yeah.
Next time I'll drive. You guys will pink. I'm kidding.
Yeah, that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe. Check out her social. Do you want your social on there or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to become famous?
No.
But yeah,
I like my freedom.
she
So
likes
no.
her freedom. She likes her freedom. So don't bother her, right? Because she doesn't want to be bothered. I got a smudge here. What the heck is going on the lens?
Bye. That's it.
Yep. See you on the next episode. Subscribe. Peace. I think. I'm still practicing this YouTube stuff.
I'm so done.
We're so done.
They wanna know what's happening. What's happening, man? What's going on with that? What's going on with that? But I just tell them I'm rapping. Man, I'm just rapping. Just go along with that. And I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose. But anything to gain. See, I ain't scared of the danger. I ain't scared of the danger.